Pick the adjective you want. Unbelievable, amazing. I cannot believe it. The Nasdaq is like an animal. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, July the 9th. And my goodness gracious, this has been, the Nasdaq is on some kind of a run. It's just unbelievable. Here it is up again now. Now it's giving way right now and only up about 13 or 14 points. It was up almost 80. In the meantime, the S&P is down over 20. The Dow's down almost 300 and the Russell's down almost 20. So it kind of fits our position. We're short three. We're short the three that are down. We're long the one that's up. But it would be very surprising if the Nasdaq can continue to hold off this the selling pressure that's around the rest of the markets. Okay, but again, that's why we don't argue with the algorithm as much as people want to. We don't argue. We don't second guess it. We're mechanically trading. I don't have to think about it. And I think that's the biggest point, that if you can ever get that in your mind, whatever you're trading, don't think about it. Know what you're doing before you do it. Okay. In the meantime, so we remain short the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell, and long the Nasdaq. The metals have been wild as well today, but they look like they want to spike higher. Continued. We're still long silver and still long gold, and gold almost got to a closing high yesterday. Obviously, we're still about $100 away from the all-time high, but it's a little bit lower now, but it looks pretty good. Silver is still higher, and suddenly platinum just followed a bet as it was just getting ready to potentially reverse and get us long platinum. It's getting creamed at the moment now. It get creamed. It's down on the day after being higher and after being higher the last couple of days. Failed right at resistance. Copper continues to go higher. We're long. Natural gas continues to go higher. We're long. Bonds are higher, we're long. Notes are higher, we're long. So it's all kind of playing out. The one, obviously, the fly in the ointment today, crude oil. Okay, we're long. It's getting hammered. Okay, and again, as I kept saying, I felt that $40, $41 level was a really tough spot. We got up to $40.99, and now we're in the 39s. Okay, again, I think crude's going to go a lot lower. I'm hoping tomorrow will be a change. But again, whatever it is, I'm still long it. Okay, the dollar is higher. It's been on both sides. The dollar's been very choppy. It's down to some pretty key support. We're long dollars. We're long euro currency. Okay, so it's basically almost a wash. It's almost a spread trade. In the meantime, that's our position. That's where we stand. The grains, see, I said they're going to explode, and here they are. They are popping beautifully. And we got long wheat early this morning, and it's now up about 10 cents on the day. And soybeans are up, and corn is up big, and they're breaking out. Again, this is what we expected, where that money was going to flow to. You can only keep them down so long, and I think that's what you're starting to see. We look for those to go higher. And again, sell-offs are opportunities to buy right now in grains. Okay, you want to buy the dips because that's the market that we're getting. Meats, cattle, fats, and feeders are both higher. And we're getting a big move in hogs. So finally, after calling it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we're getting one. Hogs are up about $2. Now, again, we're still short hogs. But again, it's maybe a selling opportunity, or maybe it's going to be a chance to see reversals, because again, the contention's always been that as soon as we start to see some pressure, some real pressure in equities, we might see some flow into the agricultural markets, especially as we talk to you about commodities that low prices typically cure low prices. So again, markets are just wild today, and it's obviously still the lack of liquidity, still the lack of volume. But again, if you're on the right side and prices are moving, they are moving fast and furious. So as I say to you every day, pick your spots, be patient, know what you're getting out at. Before you get in, know where you're exiting no matter what, and don't change your mind. Let it happen the way it happens, because if you start trying to play with it, you can take a small loss into a giant one by continuing to adjust a stop that you originally set. You had a level for a reason, use it. In the meantime, our commodity reports, the quarterlies are out from Andy, and man, are they good. Okay, and again, look, hey, up to you. You want the best commodity information in the country. Okay, Andy Heck wrote it. Okay, #1 author at Seeking Alpha, traded physical commodities worldwide. At one time, the largest silver trader in the world. He does a phenomenal job on laying out not only the fundamentals, but the technicals on all commodities. Plus, it gives you the opportunity that you can use some of the ETFs if you're not a commodities trader. So again, you want to check it out, go to bubbatrading.com and look for Technomental. And of course, you know, our brokerage partners, as I say to you every day, but they're just phenomenal. Okay, again, here we go again. We had some changes made. Everything got filled perfectly on time, the way it should be. CTG, futures and commodities, letter of direction trading. Yes, I have other brokerage accounts, but that's who trades my account for me. Okay, is CTG. They've got some great new products on their own. I urge you to check them out. And of course, that also talks about Tradier for equities and options. Again, I'm rolling like crazy today in my hedging. I'm not paying for it. I already paid my $10 a month flat fee. So I'm putting that money, not only am I hedging and protecting, but I'm putting that money in my pocket. Okay. So again, you want great customer service, you want a great broker, you want someone that's going to take care of you. And then also we have their API. So as we automate more products, Tradier's the place. Okay. In the meantime, if you want information, either Tradier or CTG, just send me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I've got a special link for both. And again, real excited about our new relationship with Family Farms, and we'll give you more of this on Sunday on Bubba's Bottom Line. But I think it's going to be a great partnership. We're going to have a lot of fun. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great trading day, everybody. It's going to be wild. Okay, expect it. Be prepared for it. Be patient. Know your exit. Use your disciplines, and you'll have a good day. Everybody, we'll see you tomorrow. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, July the 9th. We'll see you tomorrow.